welcome back to another empowering episode just in time for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, a celebration of love and a perfect time for celebrating our heart health. Hi, I'm VeRAWonica, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. This channel is all about shifting to a positive mindset, embracing a high nutrient fuel style so we can live a rawlicious and healthy lifestyle. And in case you want to watch more health and wellness videos, watch my playlist. The link is in the description below. While Valentine's Day started with romantic love, today is all about all kinds of love. The love we have for ourselves, our partners, friends, and family. Love is such a powerful force. It impacts our emotions and also our physical health, especially our hearts. Valentine's Day is a perfect opportunity to focus on nurturing our hearts, both emotionally and physically. You know, heart disease still remains a leading cause of death worldwide. Stress, loneliness, and emotional strain can significantly impact our heart health. And as always, there's good news. Love, connection, and gratitude can help our hearts on an emotional level. And what we eat, how much we move our bodies, and whether or not we do deep breathing exercises and get plenty of rest can help our hearts on a physical level. So how can we celebrate Valentine's Day and every day in a way that nourishes both our heart emotionally and physically? Valentine isn't just about raw plant-based chocolates and flowers. It's about connecting with people we love, including ourselves. It's about honoring our body, embracing a positive mindset, and taking actions that will support our well-being and our heart health, emotionally and physically. Let's use Valentine's Day as a reminder to give our hearts the care and attention they deserve. By nourishing both our body and our spirit, we'll create a healthier, more vibrant life for ourselves and a love affair with ourselves that lasts. Here are 5 ways to love ourselves and our heart. Number 1, nourish with raw plant-based fuel. Fill our plates with leafy greens, berries, and heart-healthy fats like avocados. These superfoods support healthy blood flow, reduce inflammation, and provide antioxidants that protect our physical heart. Number 2, practice gratitude. Gratitude lowers our blood pressure and reduces our stress, both of which are key to heart health. Start your day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. Number 3, move our body. Regular exercise strengthens our heart. Take a walk, rebound, dance to your favorite music, anything that gets our heart pumping and lifts our spirits. Number 4, practice self-love. Let's take a moment to appreciate ourselves. Emotional well-being plays a big role in heart health, and caring for our mindset can help lower the risk of heart disease. Check out my video on self-love. Number 5, deep breathing and mindfulness. Taking time to breathe deeply and be present reduces stress, lowers our blood pressure, and improves our overall heart health. Let's love our heart inside and out. You know, supporting our health with the right nutrients helps improve our physical heart as well as our emotional heart. And here are 5 heart-healthy supplements to consider. Number 1, hawthorn berry. It strengthens our heart, improves our circulation, and regulates blood pressure. Number 2, omega-3 fatty acids. Plant-based essential fats help reduce inflammation and cholesterol, supports heart health, and promotes emotional balance for reducing stress and anxiety. Number 3, magnesium. Magnesium relaxes our nervous system, reduces stress, and supports muscle function, including our heart. Number 4, rhodiola rosé helps with mood balance and reducing emotional fatigue. Number 5, L-carnitine enhances heart energy and supports cardiovascular health. So how are you celebrating your heart this Valentine's Day? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up. Share this video with someone who needs a little extra love today. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more RAWmazing content on personal growth, empowerment, inspiration, motivation, positivity, health, and high nutrition. Sign up for our free RAW news, which is emailed out every Monday. And if you're ready to take your heart health to the next level, check out our Renewed to a New You one-day course for actionable steps to transform your health with positive mindset and a RAWmazing and RAWlicious fuel style. Thanks again for watching. Follow me on Instagram. See you in the next video and have a RAWmazing Valentine's Day.